Why is it we look at our dogs as they're one of our children? Why is that? Is it because basically just like a child, when they're young, we have to feed them? Also, just like a child, when they have a number 2, we have to clean that up? Could it be that? Maybe it's because we play with them just like we would a child. Could it be that? Whatever it is, people like me and all around the world look at their dogs as one of their own children. This is my son, Kit. Yes, he's eating on one of them chew bones. Yeah, he likes it. I treat every one of my dogs I owned over the years, all the way back from my dog Beth, my dog Boots, my dog Stormy, and now Kit. I treated every one of them like they're one of my own kids. It's true. Is that normal? Is it even normal to do that? In some cases, people will even say, is that even right? I think so. We're going to continue the rest of this video outdoors, and we're going to see if my son Kit, yes, my son Kit, will take the bone that's in his mouth with him. All right, Kit, let's go outside. Come on. Come on, let's go out. It's still in his mouth. I don't think he cares. Just like I do on all the other videos, I'm in front of my house, you're going to hear traffic sounds. I can't help it. I live on a busy road. Now let's get back to why does people think they're dogs? And it can be cats too, but I'm not a cat person. Nothing wrong with cats. I'm just not a cat person. I'm a dog person. But why do people think of their dogs like they're one of their own kids? I noticed one of the other things that makes my dog a little nervous is when these little cars with fart mufflers, yeah, fart mufflers, go down the road. He gets a little nervous. That's okay, because I told my son Kit, yes, my son Kit, and they don't make me nervous, but I don't like it either. Here in my house with our son Kit, yes, I'm saying son, with our doggy Kit, it is to the point when I refer to my wife, to Kit, I say, Mommy. You're like, well, you ready, Kit? Let's go get Mommy from work. Let's go have lunch with Mommy. And my wife refers to me as Dad or Daddy to our son Kit. And what's funny is, with my children, my own children, when they were growing up, I never referred to my wife as Mommy to them. It was always Mom, and I was always Dad. But with him, it's Mommy or Daddy. And yes, as you can see, he still has that chew bone. He really does love them. I'm surprised he ain't out here trying to bury it. Is ya? You can if you want. Dig right on down there. Nope, I'm just gonna sit down and eat it. You almost got that thing chewed up. Good job, son. It is so bad with me whenever I go anywhere and my son Kit, when my doggy Kit comes with us, if you're going to come with me, you got to ride in the back seat because Kit's got front seat. But to be fair, that's because I can keep an eye on him, but I'm getting ready to train him for the back seat. But why is it we fall in love with these little fur babies just like they was our own kids? In some cases, some people, maybe even including me, treats them better than our own kids. Yeah, why is that? And he's looking to see if he dropped any piece of bone on the ground. So I think he did. Now let's look around for it, Kit. I don't see it, honey. I don't see it. Well, I'll give you another one later on today. I'm not the only one. I'm sure there's lots of people, and oh my God, listen. If I could get through this, take on a video, no car coming down the road, it'd be a small miracle. But I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. There's lots of people, I'm sure, out there look at their pets as children. And yes, right now, I might treat Kit better than I do my own children because my children are adults now. I did it. I made a clip. A whole clip without a car coming down. But guess what? I'm going to pay for it now, I'm sure. Because here they come. But our own children. I started the video off and said, why? Why is this? Well, it could be many reasons why, folks. It can. You know, your doggy shows you love, shows you respect, shows you everything a child will show you. and you get close to that. I will tell you right now, when I come home, all I have to do is leave him for 1 minute and go outside. And when I come back, he's like, oh my God, Dad, I love you. I love you. Where you been? I missed you. You tell me one freaking human being that will do that. Children or adults. There isn't. I treat my puppy, Kit, my son, my child, like a child. I do. Throughout the whole day, I treat him. I talk to him like he's a kid. I do. Everywhere we go, everything I do, I talk to him like he's a kid. When I'm out training him, or when I'm out walking him, and we're just looking around, I will talk to him and say, you see that? I did this with my dog Boots too. I did this with my dog Beth. I did it with Stormy. And now I'm doing it with Kit. Because why? He's my kid. That's right, he's my son. He's the youngest of 4. I have 3 adult children. He's the youngest of 4. Yes, Angie and I had another baby. Well, that didn't sound right, did it? Scratch that. My wife and I adopted a child. There we go. We'll say that. Yes, we adopted a child, and that's how it is. I love Kit as much as I would my own flesh and blood if he was a kid. I mean, a human kid. And right now, he is trying to dig. Let me get my son on here, and then we'll close her out probably inside the house. Because he thinks, yeah, he's wanting to go in. The only difference is the schooling you will have is from me. You will be homeschooled. And that's called a training. That's right. You got a scratch. But you are no different than one of our children. You aren't. You are a child. Actually, since you're 4 months and a half, you're a teenage child in dog years. Yeah, I made a video about that this morning, a short, didn't I? So leave down in the comments if you are a dog owner. Do you love your dog like he's one of your children? I'm pretty dang sure you're going to say yes. Or if you have a cat, you know, you have cat lovers out there. My daughter's one, and she loves her cat like it's one of her children too. Well, guys, we're going to end the video now. I'm getting ready to take Kit for his training and walk, which is coming along a little bit better since I switched the treats. And I'm going to give you a little update what's coming. I'm wanting to do a Halloween short film. The only problem is the person I want on the film, like I did in the past, will be my daughter. But yeah, she has her own life, and right now she hasn't been feeling too well, and she's getting ready to go on vacation. I don't know if she wants to help Dad out. So if I could pull something off by myself, I will. And my sons, they work too much, so they couldn't help me out. But I want to do something like I've done in the past, make a short Halloween film, and plus I'm still going to do the haunted things. We got a place we may be going to show a haunted house and talk about it. But anyway, guys, next time we will get into all that. But today, leave your comments. I gotta hang his leash up. Do you think of your dog as one of your own kids? And even if you never had children before, do you still think of your dog as one of your children? I do. My wife does. And for our son, Kit, we hope you guys have an awesome day. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you next time.